Hi everyone, it's Simon Keeling here at weatherweb.net with your look ahead on Thursday the 14th of May. Okay, we seem to be talking a lot about El Nino, don't we, this week? But it's El Nino again today. This is the latest observations of El Nino, and it's the region 3.4 that we're particularly interested in. So it's this one down the bottom here. And what it shows, look, is this moderate El Nino really now getting itself underway and winding itself up. Let me just show you what these regions relate to, because I talk about these El Nino regions. Here we are, look, towards the west of South America. This is the main region that we used, region 3.4. So it's that region that we basically look at when we're studying El Nino. And El Nino is still having an impact on models. They're still struggling a little bit and to try and get their acts together. And it is having an impact already, I think, on global weather patterns, and will do during the coming months. But I think it's just worthwhile stressing that we're seeing those region 3.4 temperatures continue to increase. Now, CFS sees things like this. This is week 1 going up to 20th of May. Higher than normal heights down towards the south, lower than normal towards the north, and there's our northwesterly flow coming over the top. So a chilly and fairly mixed northwesterly flow headed into next week. Now, for week 2, for the 21st of May through to the 27th of May, what it's trying to show is a build of a ridge out towards the west. Trough out here, look, off Newfoundland. There's our ridge off towards the west. There's the trough going down into parts of southern Europe. And it's kind of the high building across the top into Scotland. It sees still this unstable northeasterly flow continuing to bring cool weather and also some showers across many eastern areas. And it kind of looks reasonable enough. 28th of May through to 3rd June, higher than normal heights towards the west, lower than normal off towards the east there. And this then picks up on the idea of that east and northeasterly continuing. Have to say, not entirely convinced that it's going to go into that strong and east northeasterly, but at least this run of the CFS seems more believable. It pulls the high off towards the north, the higher than normal heights off towards the north and the east during the week the 4th to the 10th of June, and then returns more of an easterly flow through the country. And you can see there those low than normal heights look down towards the south of the country. So the CFS is trying to see the idea of the high building in as we head into the end of May and into the early parts of June. It's not over the country, which is exactly what we said we thought would happen. So it wouldn't be a dominant area of high pressure, but what it will do is bring some dry conditions. And it looks as if most of those at the moment, according to the CFS, are trying to be over the north of the country. Now, tomorrow is JMA Day, so it's Japanese Meteorological Agency Day. It'll be interesting to see what that comes in with. For my money, I still reckon that we're looking at a cool May, a cool start to June. I think that northerly flow is going to be the dominant one, which would lean us more into showers rather than persistent rain. But I do think it's going to be a cool month and a cool start to June as well. Well, we'll see what happens, see what tomorrow brings, but I just wanted to bring you up to date there with the latest thinking around the CFS and the impact of El Nino. I'll do a full El Nino video, actually, explaining what the impacts are, what we look for when we're looking at El Nino, and how it has impacts around the world. I'll do that soon as well. But for now, whatever you're doing, thanks again for watching. Keep the sun shining, and bye for now.